The month of June was a base month for us in the Borderless ecosystem. So from June 16th to June 25th, we had the Build on Base Challenge, which was a week-long series of workshops and Twitter spaces designed to help creators, developers, and any curious mind discover what it really means to build on Base. So we wanted to make the Base ecosystem more accessible to people in our region, which is Port Harcourt City. We had an event coming up, an IRL event, and then we said, oh, let's have the Build on Base challenge to help people understand how to use Aurora, Farcaster, get on Builder grants, and a lot of other things. So we hosted 6 major sessions. We engaged about 228 participants across Twitter Spaces, across Google Meet, and also IRL activities. We had speakers like my humble self, Carl God. We had DeFi Devrel, we had Praise Owodiasa, we had Juliet Amobi, and we had the amazing Casey Pele. And this was all organized by Borderless with support from Soul and Harold David and some team members in the Borderless ecosystem. So day one, we had the base builder journey, and DeFi Devrel helped us understand platforms like Talent Protocol, Base Builder Grants, and a lot of other things. Day 2, we had the X Space, where we talked about who is a builder in the Base ecosystem, right? People thought, oh, you have to be a developer to be a builder. But we help people understand that no, those are not the only people that are builders. Creatives are builders too. Day 3, we had the vibe coding session with AI with Casey Pele. And a lot of us got to vibe code and build something during the session. Day 4, we had a Twitter space to ask, oh, is vibe coding a lazy man's way of building? It was really cool conversations that we had. So day 5 was with DeFi Devrel, and that's where we learned how to build Farcaster frames. And we actually built, he actually vibe coded and built a Farcaster frame for the Build on Base challenge. You can actually go check it out now. So day 6 was the day for creatives. We had a morning session in day 6 where we showed how to get started with Zora, how to use Farcaster as a creative, basically how to build your own creative journey in the Base ecosystem. And then in the evening of day 6, we had the X Space where everyone came in to talk about what their experience had been like building as a creative in Base, the opportunities that were available for people to take advantage of. So those were the 6 days that we had this Build on Base challenge. And during the Build on Base challenge and after the Build on Base challenge, we also had various attestations that were done on byteonchain.xyz, because it's not enough to just have off-chain activities. There needs to be some on-chain attestations, and then we use byteonchain.xyz for that. People got to answer some questions with the quiz, and they signed the attestation on Base, of course. All right, so the onboarding was really interesting because it led to the IRL event that Praise Owodiasa had on the 4th and 5th of July. So this is how June was for us in Borderless ecosystem, and I'm just giving you the recap of the Build on Base challenge that we had. Thank you.